Dear students, today we will continue with other exception reports, and the next one is overdue receivable. This option is used to display outstanding bills, that is bills receivable and bills payable, and this contains all sale invoices that are due as of the specified period. This report gives pending amount, due date of receipt, and overdue days. So the option we can select by using switch to gateway of tally, then display, then exception reports, then overdue receivable. It displays the dialog box in this way. So bills receivable, it will show the date, then the reference number if you have specified, then the party's name, then pending amount, so on which date it is due. That means maybe for example you can set the credit period maybe for the 15 days, okay, and if you have set the credit period as 15 days, and from the 15 days it will take due date, okay, overdue by days 34, 51, 46, it is showing that thing. Next is overdue payable. This option is used to display bills payable report. That is, it contains bills which are due with creditors. Okay, this report gives pending amount, due date of receipt, overdue days, and you can select it from the gateway of tally, display, exception reports, overdue payable, and you can see here. So it will show the date, reference number, for which creditor the bills are pending, the pending amount, then the due on, then the overdue by days. Okay. Next is memorandum voucher report. So to view all the memorandum vouchers, that means if you have taken memo voucher in the accounting entry, then memorandum voucher report displays the memo vouchers available. Okay, go to gateway of tally, display, exception report, memorandum vouchers, and it is helpful to convert memo voucher into any one of other transaction voucher. As you know, memo voucher is just for remembrance purpose. It will not affect the account. And this memo voucher, anytime we can convert by using memorandum voucher report to payment or receipt, etc. Then the post-dated voucher report. So to view all post-dated vouchers. So if you have taken post-dated voucher transaction in the accounting, then you can see the post-dated vouchers by using this option. And the same way, gateway of tally, display, exception reports, post-dated vouchers. Next is reversing journal. This option is to display list of reverse journals available in our company. Okay, these are special vouchers that are automatically reversed after a specified date, and it is useful to prepare short-term financial reports, as we already know about reverse journals. I already thought about that concept. Just go through the previous videos. And the following is the method to display reverse journal register. Go to gateway of tally, display, exception reports, and in that reverse journal. Next is optional voucher. This is same as memo voucher. It is to display the list of optional vouchers, but memo vouchers are recorded as separate voucher type, and in optional voucher we can mark any existing voucher type as optional voucher. That is the difference. So the memo voucher will act like one separate voucher type, but optional voucher is just we can mark one voucher as a optional voucher. and the shortcut key Ctrl plus L or optional button. And the method is gateway of tally display exception report optional voucher report. Printing reports in tally. In tally, we can print any screen information by using print button or Alt plus P. Alt plus P is a shortcut. Otherwise, the print button will be available in the vertical button bar, okay, which is on the right side. And in balance sheet, trial balance, day book, ledger book, we can print by using Alt plus P keys. Even you can print balance sheet by the method step 1. Okay, if there is a question related to printing balance sheet, okay, then you have to take the step to move to that balance sheet. Then you have to take the print option. Like step 1, from gateway of tally, click balance sheet under report section to display the balance sheet. Step 2, click print or Alt plus P to print, and then it displays print yes or no message box, and then press enter or press yes to start printing. So this is a method. If the questions are how we can print the balance sheet. So follow the same procedure to print profit and loss account and trial balance. Only thing is you have to change gateway of tally, click trial balance, click profit and loss account, okay, to display the profit and loss account and trial balance. Then there is a multi-account printing option which is available in old tallies. Like in earlier tallies, there was an option multi-account printing. In new prime tally, this option is not available. So multi-account printing is used to print the primary books of accounts like cash book, bank book, account ledger, sales and purchase register. You can print separately by using multi-account printing option. But nowadays, in every screen, the Alt P is available. By that, we will go for printing option. So directly in the gateway of tally, we can take the multi-account printing. Print settings available in tally. So when you press Alt plus P or print button, it will show some print settings on the vertical button bar. On the vertical button bar where the voucher name will come. Okay, and in that it will show the Alt plus L to change the language of your choice with preview. That means while printing you can see the preview, then you can do the printing process. That by clicking with preview button, that is Alt plus I. Title, you can change the title at the time of printing by using Alt plus T or title option. Page numbers, you can set the starting page numbers and the page range by using page numbers, Alt plus G. Then you can take the pre-printed. You can print the invoice or report on pre-printed paper by using Alt plus R. So then even in the letterhead you can take the bill by using pre-printed concept. Print format, Alt plus F. That is, you can select the print mode. That is dot matrix format, neat mode, quick or draft mode. That means you can save the ink by using this method, print format. Then Alt plus C, copies, to specify number of copies to be printed. When you are taking invoice copies, you want to create a duplicate. That means you want to take the 2 copies at a time. That we can set by using Alt plus C option. And then Alt plus S to change the printer settings. Alt plus S for the printer settings. We can set the paper size, okay, and we can take the color or black and white, that options by using Alt plus S, that is printer settings. And you can see the following are the options which are available in multi-account printing. So gateway of Tally, multi-account printing menu. In that it shows the account books, outstanding statement, inventory books, day book, multi-voucher printing, multi-pay slip printing, quit. And in again in account book, you can take the cash book, bank book to print those registers separately. Even in the outstanding statement, receivable, payable, ledger, and group options are available. Then in the inventory books, stock items, stock transfer, physical stock register, and day book to print the full day book. Okay, and the multi-voucher printing to print all vouchers of one time from one given from date to given to date. Thank you, students. It completes the fourth chapter. In the next class, I'll start with fifth chapter. Thank you. God bless you.